Quick question for my followers out there. Um, YouTube has offered me an opportunity to become a YouTube influencer. And when I look at what the definition of an influencer is, it sounds like more like a product promoter. You know, you try to convince people to buy this or buy that and all of that. I want your opinion on what you think of YouTube influencers, because, you know, I think I might go for it, but if I find something that's bad or I bought something and I don't like it, I'm going to put a big old, I'll just tell you what's wrong with it. So I might be a negative influencer on some things that YouTube has out there, and I don't know if they're going to like that, but my goal is, anything I've bought or used for my RV, if it's a piece of junk, I'll tell you it's a piece of junk and tell you not to buy it. So that's not the kind of influencer they're looking for, but if I find something good that I use, I'll tell you it's good, but if I find something bad, I'll tell you it's bad. But put in the comments below. I've got the opportunity. I haven't pulled the trigger on it yet to be an influencer, but if you want me to do some, not product reviews, but product truths as to, what do I think, I guess that is a review. So let me know, all right, in the comments, and I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye.